In this video, I'm going to show you how to test the 3977456 dryer push to start switch. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set my multimeter to 200 ohms, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch the two terminals, and you can see this is showing no resistance. I'm going to touch this, and then when I push this down, I should get a reading of somewhere around 1.2. So I will push this down. So right now, what there is there's a wire coming through here, and it's called an open circuit because it's not touching down to the other side. So what happens is power needs to come across here to start your dryer. So when we push this down, wire lead will come down, and that's going to allow the power to come across, and that's how your dryer starts. So this is a working dryer start switch. Please check out one of my other videos. Thanks for watching.